Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. Turn off the alarm. Sarah, get up and turn off the alarm. Make up the bed. I always start my day by making up the bed. Exercise. Exercise in the morning makes us active. Wash your face. I wash my face regularly. Brush your teeth. Never forget to brush your teeth every day. Take a shower. I regularly take a shower to feel fresh. Brush your hairs. I brush my hairs to make them look neat. Clip nails. I clip my nails twice a week. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before the breakfast. Put on makeup. My mother always put on makeup every morning. Have breakfast. Our family usually have a breakfast at 7 a.m. Go to school. Kids go to the school at sharp 8 a.m. Go to work. My father goes to the work at sharp 9 a.m. Do household chores. My mother spent her whole day in doing household chores. Do work at office. He works hard all the day at the office. Listen carefully. Students are listening to the teacher carefully. Take a break. It's a good time to take a short break. Leave school. I leave school at sharp 5 p.m. every day. Make a lunch. My mother makes a delicious lunch for me. Have lunch. I usually have lunch with my mom. Take a nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Have snack. Her mother said her to only have fruits in the snack. Do homework. He completes his whole homework before going outside. Take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage every day. Watering plants. My hobby is watering the plants. Played with friends. In the evening, I played with my friends. Walk the dog. She always walks the dog before she goes to the bed. Read newspaper. My father read the newspaper daily. Watch television. My family watches television together. Cook dinner. I help my mom in cooking dinner. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m. Go for a walk. We usually go for a walk after dinner. Brush teeth. I always brush my teeth before going to the bed. Reading book. I like reading books before falling asleep. Fall asleep. We usually fall asleep at the sharp 9 p.m.